Online Jobs for Pupils 2021. It isn't always easy to figure out how to make money as a college student. Only keeping up with their education requires college students to juggle a lot of obligations. Many individuals, however, need additional funds in order to make ends meet. That is where college students can find online work. Full-time and part-time online work is the way to go in the post-COVID-19 world. Not only can they help you earn money, but they can also be performed from almost anywhere. Furthermore, many offer some degree of flexibility, which is necessary for a college student whose schedule is uncertain from semester to semester. There are some great opportunities available for students who want to work remotely from home or from their dorm. Today, we will tell you about the online jobs for pupils in 2021. Before we start, go ahead and subscribe. Also, press the bell button to get the latest updates. Without any further delay, let us start. In the list of online jobs for pupils in 2021, we have online tutor. Many college students are knowledgeable in specific subjects, which makes them ideal tutors. Video conferencing and screen sharing apps are often used by online tutors to communicate with students. They would be able to converse with the student and direct them through activities in this manner. You may be able to freelance or work for a corporation as a college student. You have more flexibility as a freelancer, but still you must find your own customers this way. You won't have to look for clients if you join a corporation, but you will have less versatility. In any case, it is a possibility worth considering. Many tutors make about $18.92 per hour on average. Some, on the other hand, will earn more than $41.97 per hour, which is very remarkable. Next on the list, we have virtual assistant. A full-time administrative assistant is not needed by many small businesses. If this is the case, they often employ part-time virtual assistants instead. Digital assistance roles are typically identical to those of an administrative assistant. They simply perform all of the responsibilities when operating remotely. It is a good fit for computer-savvy college students, particularly those who can communicate well in writing. You will also get about $15.88 per hour, which is a pretty good wage. Next on the list, we have freelance writer. Working as a freelance writer can be an option if you have excellent written communication and research skills. You'll write blogs, blog posts, reports, and other types of content for companies and individuals, as well as other tasks like writing video scripts. If you've built your credibility, you can expect to earn about $30.39 per hour. There are also various sites to choose from, such as Upwork and Fiverr, which make it simple to communicate with businesses which might benefit from your services. Next on the list, we have social media manager. Many college students are extremely adept at using social media. Why not use your expertise in short-form content, appealing photos, and hashtags to assist businesses in thriving on various social media platforms? As a social media manager, you'd assist the account owner in connecting with their audience and expanding their follower base with the intention of increasing interactions or sales. You could also respond to comments, answer questions, look up hashtags and SEO keywords, and do other stuff. You will earn about $51,255 a year if you work full-time. If you just want to work part-time, that works out to about $24.64 per hour. Furthermore, there are part-time online jobs available in this sector, so you might have a lot of luck finding opportunities. Next on the list, we have audio transcription. Signing up with an audio transcription service platform can be a perfect way to make some money if you are a fast typer with a decent income. Typically, you will be paying per minute of audio, making it simple to project your earnings. You can choose when you want to sign on and handle an assignment in these positions, which gives you a lot of versatility. It is important to bear in mind that pay scales will vary greatly. However, Rev, a common platform, pays 30 cents per audio minute for transcriptionists, and you can work your way up to higher pay levels. Only keep in mind that in order to be successful, you must be able to function quickly. Next on the list, we have website developer. Website production is another excellent freelancing opportunity, as many businesses want it on a project basis. If you can assist companies in getting their websites up and running, you can use your talents to earn a decent living. Even if you have a portfolio to show off your skills, being able to build a simple site on WordPress or via platforms like Wix can be sufficient. Web developers typically make $35.46 per hour, which is a good wage for part-time jobs. Plus, if you're a college student studying web creation, it can be a perfect way to start your career while you're still studying. Next on the list, we have translator. Do you have a second language under your belt? Working as a translator may be a good fit for you. When these jobs are available online, you will normally be translating digital documents or listening to audio recordings. It is just not that difficult. You will receive about $24.92 per hour as a translator. That is a lot of money from work from home job that doesn't necessarily require a lot of expertise. Next on the list, we have photographer. If you have a good eye, you may be able to make some money as a photographer, earning about $17.44 per hour. This option is extremely adaptable. Although you can definitely photograph people or events in the conventional sense, you can also photograph locations and objects. Depending on your niche, you might spend your time photographing everything from food to landmarks. This can be a great work from home alternative, but if you plan on photographing objects, it might not work as well as a dorm room. Object photography usually necessitates a bit of a setup, such as lights and filters, which can take up some space. However, if you prefer stock photography over working with clients, it's a versatile choice that can produce passive income. Next on the list, we have video editor. If you know how to edit videos, you might be able to find a great online job for college students. Take people's raw footage and convert it into amazing clips, and you will gain about $41.97 per hour. This is another option for freelancing that helps you to be as versatile as possible. It can also assist you in starting a career if that is where your studies eventually lead you. Next on the list, we have graphic designer. Graphic designers will earn about $25.05 per hour, making them one of the best online jobs for college students with certain digital image skills. This is another great choice for freelancing because it helps you to pick and select assignments that you love and that fit into your schedule. On a typical project, you'll be charged with producing photographs or other types of visual media. This can include social media post material, logos, and more. That's all for today, folks. Tell us in the comment section which is your point of view. See you soon with yet another amazing video.